Dennis Taylor, Black Ops Services here at World of Concrete 2025. We're in South Hall on a Sunday. First day of our install. We're out 2 booths. One is poly coat and the other one is crown poly. So we're gonna do both of these booths. I'm gonna walk around, show you guys these installs. This is not gonna be a time-lapse video. I'm just gonna show you guys some startup of it, middle and final build. And then I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the show. Most of this video will be done on showing you different parts of the show here in South Hall, Central Hall, North Hall, and South, North, and Central, where we have the World of Concrete 2025 here in fabulous Las Vegas on a Sunday. All right, guys. I will do my best to stop putting the finger in the camera, but we're gonna literally show you our 2 booths here now. Here we go. So I got my man Charlie on this, making sure that this structure goes up. You good, Charlie?
Hey,
So this is the polycoat booth, folks. This is the polycoat booth. You can see going up now. I'm gonna swing you over to the crown booth so you can see the crown booth, which will be also, once it leaves this show, this booth is gonna end up going to San Antonio. We got Alejandro running this booth. Thanks, Charlie. Doing a little doing a little damage control here. Sometimes these things, when they come in, they get damaged, so we have to, do some repairs on the show floor. Okay, guys, getting some stuff done now, so let's take a look at it. Get inside it, like I showed you, get inside it. Getting close to wrapping this one up. Hanging TVs now. You done playing around over here?
Not really.
I can't tell. You gonna need more hands? You gonna need more hands?
No, I think we're good. We're just trying to see the easiest.
Take your time. I'm just messing with you. Somebody gotta do it.
No, okay, so you're
Mine's gonna be me.
video.
Ah, that's right. It's now. It's official. Charlie, come in for a minute. Be careful. Kevin, go up to the other side, yeah. Thank you. While you're up there, guys, power that up. Here's the other booth, just side by side. Okay, day 2 install. Final day of the install for us here at World of Concrete 2025. Guys, we'll be wrapping up soon. As you guys see the progress. I will be back in the morning with a final walkthrough. As you can see, the plexis up now, hanging signs up and spinning. And here's our other booth, Crown Poly. Alejandro up here running things as she always does. Looking good, guys. Hey, put a level on that. Looks like it's going downhill on the left side. All right, folks. We are getting this party started. As you can see, our guys have knocked this out. Clients are here, putting away their products. Alejandra and Kevin tightening up a few things. See how sign and all they're gonna be looking all pretty. Tomorrow there'll be carpet here. Clients are doing what they do.
Yeah. I know.
So, you can see the riggers are putting up the second hanging sign at the Crown Polymer's booth. Alejandra, what are you guys doing? Ale, come on. You gotta be kidding me. Seriously. Boy, oh boy. Trying to get what, Miss Bob case on me or something? Say, what's that about? Well, as you can see, the sun is going up, doing what they do. Yep, tomorrow this show open. I'll come here tomorrow, give you guys a little walkthrough. I'll walk through this hall, and I might try to catch another couple halls. Oh my God, I'm gonna be here early in the morning. It's gonna be early in the morning. I probably might be here at 5. Oh, it's gonna be fun. Love it though, this is what we do. This is what we do. We build stuff. Like I should say. Good morning, folks. 5:40 a.m. First day of World of Concrete opening up here. I'm in South Hall, the LVCC, Las Vegas Convention Center. World of Concrete 2025. It's early. First day of show opening. I'm in here. Gonna give you guys a little behind the scenes before this bad boy opens up. We're gonna start in South Hall. We're gonna walk around and show you my booths that we have here. Then I'm gonna head on over to Central Hall and North Hall. And if I can, I'll try to get out in the parking lot. But hopefully the sun will be up by the time I get out there. So here we go. Enjoy the ride. The only ones here are me and the cleaning crew. Get me ready. All right, let's do this. What you have here, folks, is anything to do with the concrete industry. And these vendors and representatives come from all over the world for this event every single year. My younger brother was in the concrete industry for close to 30 years or more, and he used to attend this show, I believe, too. It's a big one. One of our biggest events every year. This World of Concrete. Up these stairs we go. And I'll head down towards my booth. Three booths actually. You'll see a lot of scaffolding on this show too, especially in this building. A lot of scaffolding and forms. others used over the years. We'll be coming up on my booths here in a few. Good morning. Yeah, something else. Here we are, Crown Polymers. One of our Black Ops booths we assembled. As you can see, booth. There's me right there. You know that guy? But this is a Polymers booth that my crew did a phenomenal job of putting together for my client here. Here's our other booth, Polycoast products. This is it, top to bottom, with the rotating signage, as you can see. I'm really proud of my guys. This is our other little Kimco systems. We handle this for our client as well. Right next to, right adjacent to the Polyco booth. Try to get back in here, guys, if I can. When we fire it up, you'll see that those little panels will be lit. But giving you a full 360 of the Polycoat booth. Our pride and joy here, next to our Crown Polymers booth. Full 360 of this bad boy. Here's the back of the Polymers booth. Our booth will hang sign as well. You see we have monitors on both sides. Just trying to give you guys a good vantage point what we got here. I'll go this way. Samples here, what they do. And here are some of the neighbors across the aisle. Machines, that's something.